This is a call to those who know that the force of humanity and the force of nature can be one another's greatest adversary or greatest asset. And that by coming together, we can build something new by balancing our strengths and committing to ourselves, each other, and a common goal. We can face the future's toughest challenges as one. Together, we can prevent disease for future generations, protect infrastructure, beautify environments, feed the forests, feed ourselves, and create a world where we can grow healthier, safer, and stronger. This is a call to join us. This is a call to be a force with nature.